Oh, broke the yolk. So you know what? It's going right in. Ta-da! Nailed it. Recap. Oh yeah, I'm making a croque madame. I made some everything bagel potato chips. Say, look at the chips. Say, look at the chips. And we got our Gruyere Mornay sauce. We got our giant croque madame sandwich. And we got this egg. Look at the egg. Boop. Come here. Come here. I know I showed you this trick before, but spill half of it on the counter. Doesn't matter. Get a little bit of water in your pan lid. Then walk all the way back here. And then pour the water in. And it steams your egg. And your egg will cook so perfectly. This never happened. Yo, it's almost time to, oh, okay, look at this. Look, come here, come here. Okay, first of all, look at this. That's all the TikTokers do, right? They scrape their food.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, look at that. Let's get some more butter in there. Yeah. Use it all, whatever. It's very important to use your sandwich to spread the butter around the pan. Pro tip, always use your sandwich. All right, gonna go over here, come on. This is where you gotta move fast. Sid, you gotta keep up. You're really disappointing me. Okay, you gotta move fast. You gotta move fast, you put everything out. You put your paper out here, you got your sandwich, you got your egg, you got your sauce, you got your chips. Then you get a plate. Then you put the plate over here. And you say, Nathan, how much time we got left?
3 minutes.
Oh, you don't have to rush at all then. Okay. Get the sandwich nice and brown. What do you got? What is love? Nathan, love is what you and I have. Nathan and I are in love. I don't know, love is like, there's different kinds of love. There's the love that a man has for a fine Cuban cigar. There's the love between me and all my pets, my wife at home. It's all kinds of love. What's important is you find the love that's right for you. Hey, look at this egg. Look at the egg. Ta-da! Should I pepper my egg? Yeah, why not? Yeah, there you go, looks good. What do you think? Egg look good? Yeah, egg looks good. All right, perfect. Okay, let's do it. A little sandwich here. Come in close on the sandwich, Sid. Sid, come in close on the... Wow. Hooah! Okay, we might have done a very good thing here. Have you ever seen a sandwich where you have to like blot it off like this? It's kind of crazy. Okay, let's get that bread knife. How should I cut it? I don't even know how to cut it. It's enormous. Oh, that's not melted as much as I thought it was. No. And we're gonna give it a stack of these everything bagel potato chips. Remember, they got everything in them. And then, my trick for chopping chives, a little piece of paper like that, a little water. Roll your chives up in the paper, cut off the ends, and it holds your chives together so you can get that perfect little croquis extra. Oh my God, I'm getting the one. Okay, here we go. Got that Mornay sauce coming up? Yeah. Yeah. And then we got that egg. Yeah. And then we got 30 seconds. Then we got these little chives. Holy cats. And I got just enough time to show you this thing. There it is. There's the sandwich. Oh boy, I am terrified of this. Gonna smash into it. Smash in there. Give me a bite of this sandwich. Oh, it's so good. There's a little tip in there. You gotta make it. No, you gotta make it. Okay, and then I'll see you next time. And then group.